Hi guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll take you guys back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how to prepare this amazing steamed fish with crackers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so you guys can always be notified whenever I upload a new video. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about Callie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and also on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. So here I have my pot. I went in already and added some butter to this and allow it to melt. And then I'm gonna go in, add some garlic, some onion, some of my bell pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and also I'm gonna add some garlic to this. Combine everything together nicely, and once that is nicely combined, I will go in and of course add my Irish potato and also my carrot. Once I add all of that goodness, I ensure that my stove is turned down on low heat, and I'm just gonna leave this for roughly about a minute or so, and then we're gonna come back and start adding all of our powdered seasoning. Please note guys, I will not be adding any bell pepper to this. However, I did add my Scotch bonnet pepper. So after a minute, this is what it looks like. So what you want to do, you just want to combine everything together nicely again, and then we're gonna go in and of course add some water to this. Once I add the water, I will go in and start adding my powdered seasoning, and I'm going to start by adding my garlic powder, my onion powder. I will also add some black pepper. Of course, I'm going to add some paprika, some all-purpose seasoning, and I do have my cock soup mix that I'm going to go ahead and pour into my sauce for my fish. And of course we're going to strain that because we don't want the noodles from the cock soup mix. Now you can always use any cock soup mix, however I'm using the Grace cock soup mix, but like I said, you can always go ahead and use any brand. Now all of these ingredients that I'm using today, you can get it at your local supermarket or grocery shop. Remember to be creative, remember to be you in the kitchen, and most of all, utilize whatever you have at home. Once you add all of that powdered seasoning, you just combine everything together, and it's a possibility you might need to add some more water. Alright, so we're just going to allow this to cook nicely, and once it's almost finished cooking, we're going to start by adding our fish. Now you can visit your supermarket or you can visit your fish market, and of course you will get fish there as well, and you can always go ahead and choose the type of fish that you want. And I know some persons like big fish, but I like small fish, and my family loves small fish as well, so we're just gonna work with these. All right, so you're just gonna go in now and add the fish one by one, and of course you're gonna ensure that you take up some of that sauce and pour it all over your fish. Now, like I said, you don't want the Irish and the carrot to cook fully, and also you want it to be crunchy. So you're just gonna cook that halfway, and then you're gonna add the fish, and please ensure that you take up some of that sauce and pour it all over your fish. And it's a possibility you might need to add a little bit more of hot water over it, just a little bit. So now we're gonna go in, and of course we are gonna start by adding our okra. Now if you're not a fan of okra, you can always go ahead and just leave out the okra. All right, if you don't like crackers with your fish, you can always opt to use bami. However, bami is a little bit hard to get, but sometimes if you're lucky enough and you go to your supermarket, you might be able to get bami. However, if you can't get bami, I suggest that you go ahead and use the crackers, and if you're not a fan of the crackers, just leave it out. So we're just gonna allow this to cook down nicely with our okra, and you don't want the okra to be too soft. And of course we're going to start by adding our crackers. Now you can always add any amount of crackers that you want to add. Remember that you are the one that is going to consume this, and if you're making it for your friends, your families, you can always go ahead and add whatever you want to add. So just in case you want to add more vegetables, you can always go ahead and do so. So once we add our crackers, of course you want to take up some of that nice sauce and pour it all over your crackers. Or if you don't want to do that, you can go ahead and just cover it up and just leave it, let it steam down. And remember to turn your stove on medium heat. So once we're finished cooking this amazing steamed fish with crackers, I will show you guys the final product. Stay tuned. This was really easy, really simple, and it was so delicious. Listen, you guys should try this amazing recipe. And here you have it, guys, the final product of my amazing steamed fish. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. I hope you guys go ahead and try it out and let me know what you think about this. Tell your friends and your family members about Kylie J's Kitchen and have them subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much again for your love and your support, and see you guys tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye guys, and thank you again for watching.